In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a Pandadoc. We'll walk through the process from uploading your document to adding your signer, all the way to sending it out for signature. I'll go slowly and explain what each step is doing so you understand not just where to click, but why you're doing it. First, once you're logged into your Pandadoc account and you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand sidebar. There you'll see a button labeled New Document. Go ahead and click that. This is how you start creating any new document that you want someone to review and sign. After that, you'll be prompted to choose how you want to create the document. For this walkthrough, we're going to use an existing file. Click on Select File, then browse your computer and choose the file you want to send. This might be a contract, an agreement, or any document that needs a signature. Once you select it, Pandadoc will upload and open it for editing. Next, you'll see a screen where you add your recipients. This is where you tell Pandadoc who needs to sign. Click on Add Recipients, then enter the signer's email address. Make sure you type it carefully because this is where the signing link will be sent. If needed, you can also give the person a role or a name just to keep things organized. When you're done, click Continue to move on. Now you'll see your document on the screen with a panel on the right that has different fields you can add. From this right panel, find the signature field and drag it onto the document. Place it exactly where you want the signer to sign, usually near the bottom of the page above their printed name or title. You can adjust the size and position so it looks clean and professional. Once the signature field is in place and you're happy with the document layout, click Review and Send. This takes you to a final review window. Here, you'll be asked to enter a document name. Choose something that clearly describes the document so it's easy to find later, then click Continue again. You'll now see the email preview. This is the message your recipient will receive along with the link to sign. Type your email content here. You can keep it simple, like a short greeting and a note explaining what the document is and that it requires their signature. When everything looks good, click Send Document. Pandadoc will email it to your recipient and you're done.